wanted to go over how I make my stickers and what setting I use within Cricut. So these are my sticker sheets. I buy full sheets of shipping labels. I did get this on Amazon a long time ago. There is the code. I'm going to see if I can link it in the description box below. But I got it for really shipping labels. But then I'm like, oh my gosh, these work really well for stickers that I use within my planner, or that, you know, I just want to create with. You know, whether it's in a mini album or any craft I have. So I use the full sheets of 8.5 by 11. I'm going to try to find that. So the first couple of times I cut them, they cut all the way through. So each sticker was individual. I did not want that. So I want this effect. So when I pull this back, I want each sticker to remain on the sheet. Let's see, 2 hands done, so that I can have a full sheet of stickers. That's what makes me happy, and that's what I was trying to accomplish. See that? Each one is individual, so when I want a specific one, I just go peel that one off, right? This is the setting that I used. Okay, here we are in Cricut, and if you look in Cricut, I have a couple of my favorite saved. The printable sticker one, this is no longer my favorite. This is the one I was using. I just got rid of it by unclicking that star. So I want to browse material. Now I am in a Cricut Maker, so up here, I'm going to type in sticker. And this is just for my sticker paper. You know, you gotta mess around with what paper works, what setting works best with your paper. So here I am. I want to use the sticker paper removable, right? So I want to use this one, and then I want to save it as a favorite, right? But for me right now, my default pressure, I want it less. And that is what I use to get this. So this is just a quick Cricut sticker paper setting tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.